morning mga bebe ko! It's 10:30. Punta na kami ng Bondi. Doon kami mag-breakfast si Cheryl and then lunch. And it's March 2. Happy March 2! Katapos ko lang mag-makeup mga bebe ko. Gamit kong foundation is from yung 24-hour na Maybelline foundation ink ba yun? Hindi ko siya, hindi talaga ako marunong sa guys. Hindi, I mean sa mga shade. Malilimutin ako. And hindi ako nag-foundation. Hindi ako nag-foundation. Hindi ako nag-concealer. And then, basta foundation lang, pressed powder from Misha. And then, blush on from Tarte. And then, yung color pop na eyeshadow, bigay sa akin si Sipot. Eyebrows is from Maybelline. Mascara is from Tarte. Pero yung mascara ko parang, ayun, halata pala. Lips is from Color Pop. Ang ganda ng shade na to. Pakita ko sa inyo yung shade niya. And it's called Ultra Brightest Lip Color Pop. Bigay sa akin to si Sipot. In the shade of Zuma. Ayan. Ganda. Malalobat na tayo. Pero nakapag-charge naman. Hinintay ko lang ma-charge yung ito mga bebe ko. Yung tinanggal ni Cheryl. Hindi ko alam kung kailan niya pa yan tinanggal.
We're both in blue.
I know. Hello, Cheryl. Come here.
We're both in blue.
We're both.
Hello. How are you today? Today is March the 2nd, I heard Juliet say, and we're going to Bondi and we're going to have breakfast because we're starving right now. It's 10:30 and we need to have breakfast, and this baby's probably going, where the bloody hell is my breakfast? But look at us dressed in blue.
Yes.
And we're out to get the world.
Yay!
Yay!
So much fun today. Looking forward to it, guys. See you soon.
Bye!
Usap tayo ulit mga bebe ko. It smells so good. Smells good. Do you like my perfume?
That's nice. What's that?
Is it nice? Gucci Bamboo.
Gucci Bumble.
Yeah. How about yours? Oh yeah, yours is the one that we gave you for your birthday, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. I'm starving, Marvin.
I think I'm gonna close the window, Shes. Do you wanna go up there?
Yeah.
It might rain or
I don't
what?
think it's gonna rain.
If it's rain, it's gonna be,
I don't think it's gonna rain.
Kung merong 400 to Bondi. 400 to Bondi.
Hello.
So we're going now. We're finally on the bus now.
Finally.
Finally. Look at your eyes.
I look red in the face.
You look red. You look cappuccino.
Probably because we're hungry.
Yes.
Can't wait to eat breakfast.
Can't wait. That's
This really nice man just got up off the seat for Juliet to sit down, but nobody else did because nobody else would.
so nice of you.
Very nice. Yeah.
Dito na kami ngayon sa Bondi, Westfield, mga bebe ko. And magbe-breakfast muna kami dito sa Pattison. Ano na guys, 11:30 na, pero gusto ni Sherry mag-breakfast daw. Pero meron naman sila mga sandwiches dito para sa, ay may croissant oh. Having my croissant. Yums. Yum. Parang kulang to sa akin na. Jam and butter. Pinabalik ko yung alright. Pinabalik ko yung aking chai latte kasi nagpalagay ako ng choco on top. Thanks. Nahulog yung aking color. This is so good, Jess. I'm starving. I'm starving, Marvin. Harap.
So I'll get charged the highest fare of that trip. So what will happen is that if that bus goes all the way to Whoop, I have to pay the whole fare, not just the portion that I got off.
Why?
Because it doesn't know when I got off because I didn't tap off. So it might mean that I got off at bloody Queensland.
No, it won't happen.
No, I read it. That's what it does. That's what it does. So what happens is, if that bus ask, if I was going to Queensland, but got off at Newcastle and forgot to tap off, it'd charge me all the way to Queensland because it doesn't know when I actually got off.
So don't want to charge you until when it's the end stop?
The end stop. Charges you at the end stop.
Oh, which is in the city then.
So it will charge me the most amount of that trip, not not as far as I went.
I got it. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, we should have. Let's share.
Doesn't matter. It's only a couple of dollars.
This is so funny, Cecily.
I'm thinking I'm going to get stuck on this freaking bus now. I have to sit down again.
I know. So because next time when we're going, oh no, we don't.
Can I have a?
This is very small.
Do you know when we were in Paris, the bloody croissants were amazing.
It's so good, but I want bigger one than this one.
In Paris, they made them in this hotel we stayed at. You could smell them baking them in the morning. They were so fresh and light and fluffy and not like the croissants.
They're just not bad.
They're pretty good, but they're better in France.
But
that's where they come from.
So I better go to France then.
Huh?
I better go to France.
You better go to France. They're amazing.
I want to go there, Chef. Cheryl's gonna have, it's a toast ham and cheese, yes?
I don't know, it's got
and bacon as well. Looks so good.
All sorts of stuff in it, so I don't know.
Ang sarap, guys. Dito kami ngayon sa Glassons. Cheryl. This is pretty. Ang gaganda ng mga tela ng Glassons. Swimwear nila, guys, $5, yes? Only $5. Okay, Cheryl gonna try it on this one.
Sometimes long things make me... So, this is lovely, but it's too big here.
Too big there, yeah.
See, it's got to sit here, this band, and I'm short here.
We are here in Sephora, guys. Bibili Cheryl ng eyeliner from It Cosmetics.
I showed you is a good one.
From It Cosmetics ba to? Yeah, it is.
It's just as nice. You've got to try it.
Yeah.
Actually, you should go to Maya.
Yeah, go to Maya.
Nag-try ako ng liquid lipstick sa Huda, guys. Yung Trendsetter. Meron ako nito eh. Hindi ko pa siya ginagamit kasi naka-cord. So, ganda, no?
Only working for it though. No.
Mardi Gras
Show me.
on.
It's nice. Yeah. Dito pa rin si Cheryl.
What do you think?
Yes, that's it. I like it. It's very nice. So it's really volume for your lashes.
Oh, I've got the shade. So I need a water. So where's that one I used?
That one there.
There is one.
Cheryl makeup.
Like so what it was. Because I can go straight for it and I've got don't have much time.
It's very nice. Close your eyes, yes. Ayan, guys. Ganda. Happy si Cheryl. Dito kami sa Doti. Shopping si Cheryl. And the Sephora. Shopping siya. Wala pa akong binibili, guys. Kasi never pa ako nabili. Ay, never. Wala pa akong nabibili. Bili ako ng casing ng asawa ko kasi kailangan niya. Kami ngayon sa mga bebe ko. Malapit sa Zara. And then, itry ko to. Mukhang maganda siya. Kakaiba. Hi! I like this one.
Hello again.
Hello! You should try one, Chess. And I have a look. Maganda siya mga bebe ko. It's different. Okay, here we go, guys. We're having spring roll for our lunch.
What's this?
Safa.
Do you want some of that?
I'm not sure. This is better, I think. Ay tayo mga bebe loves ko. Nabatiin ko ba? Happy birthday sa anak ni Sis Julianne and CJ. Happy birthday. Binyag din niya yung anak niya ngayon. And we are still in Bondi. Mga bebe loves ko. Let's eat. Oh, Chess. Chess.
Hello, we're going to eat our spring roll.
Oh, yeah. Kain ulit. Kasi kanina yung croissant lang, guys. And then, din kami nag-lunch si Cheryl. Kasi, maliit. Mahaba-haba yung vlog natin ngayon. Anyway, I don't have any. Oh, I have a sanitizer. Sanitizer muna. Sanitize. Ala. Sanitize. Nag-text si Sis Cathy. Love you. My friend Kat, for tomorrow, we're gonna do the Boodle fight again. Remember the banana leaf that I posted on my Facebook? We're gonna do that tomorrow, like for dinner. Yeah, wish you could stay longer and you can try and join us. Yes. How is it? Looks good? I mean, tastes good? Tastes really good, yeah? Harap. So good, yeah?
I've got work on Monday.
Have you? Yeah, so good. Okay na kami. And mga bebe loves ko, alam nyo ba, ang nagastos ko lang sa araw na to sa shopping is only for $50. $4.50 pala. $4.50. And then yung ito guys, ito lang nagastos ko. At saka ito, para sa kitchen namin. Yan lang yung binili ko. Wala nang iba. Buti na lang at hindi rin ako namili ng pang ano-ano. Ay, my gosh. Ay, pahinga lang muna kami mga bebe ko. Sobrang pagod. Okay mga bebe ko, alis kami. Punta kami ng South Juniors Club. Ang ganda doon mga bebe ko, pero hindi ko alam kung dalhin ko kayo kasi it's gonna be live band, music. So, doon kami magdi-dinner and this is our OOTD for tonight. Ayan. So, buti na lang. Hi, Shes! This is our OOTD for tonight. Do you think I'm gonna bring my camera?
Yeah.
It's outfit gonna be music of the day. Everywhere.
Outfit of the day.
Outfit of the night.
Outfit of the night.
Outfit of the night.
From Dottie today.
Yes, from Dottie. This is what Cheryl bought today, guys. It's very pretty. I like it. And this is from Glasson, the skirt.
Which I had on last
and
week.
the dress that I had on now, it's from Divisoria, guys. Yeah. I have no bra on.
Oh.
Yes. I just want to be more comfortable.
Well, I think you look alright. Nobody will even know. Nobody even knows.
See the makeup that we had on.
So we've had makeup done today.
Yeah,
Sephora,
I did not retouch it off.
And we're
you
all
had one? Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. See? It
brings
out
our eyes.
It's very nice.
And I think it's a nighttime wear rather than a daytime wear. I think I'm happier with wearing makeup at night, not through the day.
Not through the day.
Yeah.
But mine was really, like, I mean, very mild during the day, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I'm not gonna retouch, guys. Nakatulog kami, nagnap kami. I napped, I think, how long?
What?
I napped, I think, an hour and a half.
What's that?
Nap.
Oh, you had an hour and a half?
I had a nap, yeah. Did you have a nap?
Yeah, a little one.
Yeah, so that's it, guys. See you in South Juniors.
And I thought I forgot my belt, but look.
Oh, you got the belt. Very good.
Alright.
Alright, see you.
Well,
but anyway, mga bebe ko, hindi ko lang kung dalhin ko kayo. Baka hindi na lang. Kasi relax. Wag na lang, mga bebe ko. Kasi sobrang haba naman na yung vlog natin kanina. Kasi kakain lang naman kami doon. And music, that's it. Like time namin ng asawa ko din. And then Cheryl. Sasayaw siya doon mag-isa niya. Pero baka may makilala siya doon. Kasi 60 siya and single daw. So, kaloka, no? And yun, sabi ko, go ahead and have a dance. So, siguro, hindi ko na lang kayo sama, mga bebe ko, ha? And thank you so much for watching. And I hope you enjoyed this vlog today. Salamat sobra, mga bebe ko, sa inyong mga suporta sa amin ni baby. Ayan. Sobrang, na guys, sobrang laki na namin. Sobrang laki na niya, oh. Grabe, oh. Oh, no? Grabe. Anyway, I love you so much, my baby girl, my princess. Ate and Kuya love you so much as well from the Philippines. And from all of your ate, Kuya, all over the world na nanonood sa atin. Kapit lang kay Mami. And mga baby ko, thank you so much for watching. See you in our next vlog. Bye-bye. Love you.